Good morning, students. Today we will start with the next topic of algebraic expression and identities, multiplication of monomial with a monomial. That is the second exercise of the chapter 9. For the multiplication of monomial means having single term, expression having single term. For the multiplication of monomial, we will first multiply the coefficients and then multiply the variables by adding the exponents. We can add the exponent in the case when the variables are same, that is the base are same. Only then we can add the exponents. This is called a product of powers property. Let us do one example for that. Now we need to multiply 4a square into 2a raised to power 5. If you want to multiply these two monomials, we will multiply 4 with 8. That means the numbers. So 4 into 8 is 4 into 2 is 8. Now you will multiply the variables. The variables with the same base will be multiplied by adding the powers. So you will add the powers 2 and 5. That means 2 plus 5. That will give you raised to power 7. So your answer for this is 8a raised to power 7. Now in this case, when x raised to power 2 into x raised to power 4 powers are added, so x raised to power 6 you get. Now in the next case, the variables are a and y. When the variables are a and y, you can multiply 2 into 3, that is 6, and a raised to power 2 plus 3, that is a raised to power 5, and y raised to power 3 plus 4, that is y raised to power 7. So your answer is 6a raised to power 5, y raised to power 7. Now let us do some examples for that. Suppose there is a farmer in your village and he buy 4 goats. If the price of one goat is considered as x, then the total price is 4x. That means 4 into x, that is 4x. Now 4x is what? That is one term. Now since it is one term, so it is what? It is monomial. This polynomial is monomial. That means when you multiply the number 4 with the variable x, you get a monomial. Now in this example, you have got blackboard with the sides 2y and 3y. Now what will be the area of the blackboard? If you want to calculate the area of the blackboard, then the area will be a monomial. Why is it a monomial? Because 2y into 3y on solving will give you 6y square that is what? That is a monomial. Now in the case of window with length 2x and breadth 3y, you get the area as 6xy, which is again a monomial. Now here we are multiplying the monomial, but in the answer we are getting the monomial only. Now let us take the example of a cuboid with length, breadth and height. Now what is the volume of that cuboid, that box? That is L into B into H. That is 2x into 3y into 5z. In this case, when you are multiplying more than two monomials, you will multiply the two monomials first and its answer will be multiplied with the third monomial. That means in this case it will be 2x into 3y, that is 6xy, and this 6xy will be multiplied with 5z will give you 30xyz. That will be the multiplication of three monomials, but answer is still a monomial. So your summary is, if you want to find out the multiplication of three or more monomial, firstly you will multiply the two monomials and then the answer will be multiplied with the third monomial. In the similar way you can proceed for more than 3. For this, for the simplification, we will use some exponent rule. Mainly the first one will be used over here. For multiplication, you add the powers. If you remember, we have done in class 7th also. For multiplication of the variables, you add the powers with the same variable. Now for the division, you subtract the powers. And for powers power, that means if x raised to power a raised to power b, the powers will be multiplied. That means x raised to power ab. That is all for today. Take care.